In a world of chaos and uncertainty, there remains
The
a
awaited number of
call
all inflation.
to rise above it all, to stand as pillars of strength, beacons of hope, and women of destiny.
Join us for a life-transforming experience at the 2024 Women Conference tagged Women of Destiny in a Disintegrated World.
A gathering of hearts and minds united under God's purpose from August 29th to 31st, 2024.
At the Deeper Life Bible Church Campground in Nteje, Anambra 1.
We invite you to step into a renewal, empowerment, and divine alignment. In this State Women Conference,
You will encounter teachings, worship,
When your presence comes, there'll be no words to say.
and fellowship designed to inspire, uplift, and equip you for the challenges of today's world. You are an adult woman navigating the complexities of life, a young adult finding your path,
or a youth woman seeking direction.
this conference is for you. It is a sacred space where God's word will illuminate your paths and empower you to fulfill your destiny. Come, be part of a community of women committed to standing strong in faith.
love, and purpose. Together, we will discover our destinies and bring light to a world in need.
Join us.
Let's journey together as women of destiny.